Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our SS class. I hope you all will completed your exams with very excitement and very carefully. I hope you all will get very good marks. And today I am going to start my chapter number 4, directions. Okay, this is very important chapter for you in whole your life. You have to carefully read and know about these directions. It is a new chapter. Chapter number 3 will come to our term examination, but chapter 4 is in PA1 examination. So we will learn first directions, chapter number 4. After that we will do our chapter number 3. Okay, before starting that activity, everyone knows we will do some extra activities for our extra improving our positivity. Okay, so first activity is ours, shloka. Okay, today's our shloka is, this prayer is to say the blessings of goddesses of wealth Lakshmi. मीन्स ये जो हमारा प्रेयर है वो हम किसके लिए कर रहे हैं? लक्ष्मी माता के लिए. लक्ष्मी माता इज गॉडेसेस ऑफ वेल्थ. ओके, नमस्ते नमस्ते तु महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्रगदाहस्ते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते. महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते. Salute to Mahalakshmi, who is the cause of creations and who is worshipped by the Suras. Salute to the goddesses who adorn with the conch disc, mace in her hands and respectfully bow in front of you. Okay, आपका जो भी वेल्थ मिलता है वो कौन सा भगवान से मिलता है? लक्ष्मी भगवान से मिल जाता है. ओके, after shloka, today's thought of the day. A negative mind will never give a positive life. Yesterday, I spoke that thought about positive mind. It improves your whole day. If you start thinking negative, your life will not never be in positive way. आप हर बार में नेगेटिव सोचने लगेगा तो आपके लाइफ में पॉजिटिविटी नेवर गिव यू अ पॉजिटिव लाइफ. आपका जीवन में कोई भी आपके मन में पॉजिटिव काम भी नहीं होगा और विचार भी नहीं होंगे. सो अ नेगेटिव माइंड विल नेवर गिव यू अ पॉजिटिव लाइफ. सो ऑलवेज यू हैव टू बी अ इन पॉजिटिव माइंड ओनली. ओके, नाउ these all activity after we are going to do our activity number 4, do word using this word. Means I am going to give you one word, you have to make a many word from that one word. First word is direction. You have to write with a DIRECTIONS. You have to D with one word. D with means whatever. Dig. I with ice cream. R with rat. E with easy. C with corner. T with top. I with igloo. O with onion. N with nest. S with ship. ऐसे कोई भी वर्ड्स आप लिख सकते हो अपने हिसाब से. ओके, सो today this activity you have to do in your 6 number notebook. You have to make a part in your 6 number notebook. Regularly you have to whatever activity given to you with a date. जो भी हम एक्टिविटी देते हैं वो डेट के साथ आप वो लिखते जाओ. Whenever you are boring or you are getting free time, that time you have to revise that all activity. It improve your mind power. Okay, now come to the today's chapter number is 4 and name of the chapter is direction. Okay, I hope you all will know the how many directions are there. There are 4 directions: north, south, west, east. Main four directions are there. After that, we will classify some other directions from there. First, I am going to read the chapter and I am going to send you some words from this word meanings and hard words from this chapter. You have to copy that words in your fair notebook. Okay, I hope you all will do this given work very properly. Okay, now I am going to start my reading. Wait, you have to open, whenever my class is going on, you have to open your textbook, then you have to see in your textbook, just listen from your phone. Whenever you are seeing in my phone, sometime there will be picture is not clear, so it will hurt you. आपके eyes भी दुखेंगे और आप सही से देख नहीं पाते हो. इसलिए जब भी आप सुनने को बैठते हो तो आपका टेक्स्ट बुक ओपन रख के बैठ जाना चाहिए. जो भी मैं रीड करती हूँ आपको तो सुनाई देता है, वो वर्ड आप अपने टेक्स्ट बुक ओपन करते हो तो उसमें से ढूंढ के वहाँ पे हाथ रख के स्टार्ट करना है. ओके, नाउ पेज नंबर 27. Everyone open. We are reading about directions. Okay, chapter number 4, directions. Every one of us known that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. East and west are directions. There are two more directions. These are the north and the south. Thus, there are four directions, namely north, south, east, and west. This is reading of first paragraph. Now come to the second paragraph. The first letter of the four main directions make word news, N-E-W-S. That four classification of directions. We have four main directions: north, south, east and west. They are called cardinal directions. These four main directions are further divided into another four intermediate directions. They are northeast, between the north and the east; northwest, between the north and west; third, southeast, between the south and east; fourth, southwest, between the south and the west. That picture is given there. Whenever I am going to explain you, that time I am going to explain you that whole picture. Okay, now come to the page number 28. Page number 28. Knowledge of directions. Knowledge of directions is very important for us as it helps us to locate or know the position of a person, place or a thing. Suppose you are standing at a crossing, you want to go to the post office, you need to know the directions of the post office from that place. Has anybody ever asked you the direction of any place or anything? Or have you ever asked someone to which direction you should move to reach the certain place? Okay. Finding out directions. You can find out the directions with the help of the sun. The sun rises in the east. The direction you face the rising sun is the east. Towards your back, it is the west. On your right, it is the south. On your left, it is the north. You can see the sun in the in the daytime only, but if it is cloudy, you cannot see it. People need to know the directions at other times of the day as well. Look at this instrument. It is called the compass. You can see that there is a needle which always points to the north. If we know one direction, we can find out the other easily. If you are facing the north, towards your back is south, on your right is east, and on your left is west. Okay, this is reading of page number 28. Now come to the page number 29. Maps and directions. Have you ever seen a map? Look at the map of India given below. It is political map of India and shows the states of India. But what is a map? A map is a drawing on a flat area that shows shapes of a land and seas and the position of the places on it. Look at this world map. You can locate the shapes of continents: Africa, North America, South America, Australia, etc. A book containing map is called an atlas and contains a lot of information. You must have your atlas and learn how to read it. Top side of hanging map is the north. Its bottom shows the south. If you are facing the map, to your right is the east and to your left is the west. It is the reading of 29 page number. Now come to the page number 30. In 30 we have quick review. Okay, quick review. There are 4 main directions: north, south, east and west, and 4 sub directions: northeast, northwest, southeast, east and southwest. Knowledge of directions is helpful in locating a place, person, thing. We can find the directions with the help of the sun. A compass is an instrument used for finding directions. Maps are also helpful in finding out the location and direction of a place. Okay, after this I am going to give you a hard words of this chapter. Okay, दिस चैप्टर का हार्ड वर्ड्स जो भी है मैं आपको हार्ड वर्ड्स दे रही हूँ. वो हार्ड वर्ड्स आप कहाँ पे लिखोगे? अपने फेयर नोटबुक में विथ अ गुड हैंड राइटिंग आप वो हार्ड वर्ड्स लिखोगे. ओके, एंड टुडेज हार्ड वर्ड्स आर एवरीवन, डायरेक्शंस, नॉर्थ, साउथ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट, न्यूज़, क्लासिफिकेशन, कॉर्डिनल, फर्दर, डिवाइडेड, intermediate, northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest, between, knowledge, locate, position, suppose, crossing, certain, instrument, compass, facing. Okay, these words you have to write in your fair notebook. Okay, where you have to write? You have to write this all word in your fair notebook. I am going to send you a copy of this one. You have to copy that word with a good handwriting in your fair notebook. I hope you all will do this work very properly with a good handwriting. Okay? Bye bye. Stay home. Stay safe.